In this session, I'll discuss how we learn the lessons of failure to eventually succeed. First, a quick recap from the last session. Why did Michael Jordan, or for that matter, any highly successful athlete after failing, finally succeed? Because they're always practicing taking the last shot in a game, getting the game-winning hit, or catching the game-winning touchdown. They do it physically in practice, and they also do it mentally, over and over and over again. They learned the secret to being successful. They learned the lessons of failure to eventually succeed. To learn the lessons of failure, you must first take risks and make mistakes. And by making mistakes, you will eventually succeed. John Wooden, the famous college basketball coach, said, "If you're not making mistakes, then you're not doing anything. I'm positive that a doer makes mistakes." But how do we learn these lessons from our mistakes? Let's set up the steps for you to follow. I'll show you how to mentally train yourself to succeed. I'll use the 4 strengths of your role model. Remember the first strength of your role model imagines success? What should you do? First, make sure you choose a great role model. This will help you to begin creating positive mental images of successfully doing a skill, just like your role model. Be the hardest working person you can be. That's how you separate yourself from the competition. Do you think Steph Curry imagines success? Next, we'll tell you how to begin to practice mentally seeing yourself successfully doing a skill. Become focused. Develop a mental movie. You want to begin practicing, picturing in your mind, doing a skill successfully. Experts call this developing a mental movie. You create special mental movies to dream about. All great athletes do this. Here's how you do it. Take a skill you want to be successful at. Now begin to create your mental movie. If you're playing baseball, imagine yourself hitting the game-winning hit, or as the pitcher, striking out the last batter, throwing the strike right down the middle. Playing basketball, imagine making the game-winning shot. Hockey, scoring the winning goal. Football, catching the pass to win the game. These are just a few examples. Create your own personal mental movies for the skill you want to develop. You can see it's easy to create special successful moments to dream about. Once you can picture in your mind doing a skill successfully, run your mental movies in practice. Doing this while you practice, you learn to become more focused by forming positive connections between the physical skill you're doing and your mental movie. Set mental goals for yourself. Serena Williams, professional tennis player and winner of 21 Grand Slams, said, "It doesn't matter what your background is and where you came from. If you have dreams and goals, that's all that matters." Set a goal for yourself that you will run your mental movies and practice doing the skill successfully. Just setting a goal means you're more likely to stick to it. Want to learn a skill more quickly? Run your mental movie before you start practicing a new skill. Want to learn how to quickly forget mistakes? Run your mental movie right after you have completed practicing a skill. Run your mental movie at night before you go to bed. Your level of concentration will increase the next day at practice. Do a quick meditation in the morning. Tell yourself, "I will be successful doing that skill today." To learn a skill more quickly forget mistakes, and be more focused, set a mental goal that you will run your mental movies doing your best, just like your role model, and make sure to stick to it. To become successful, you have to take risks while learning a new skill. You must learn to get outside your comfort zone. How do you do this? Think of a new skill you want to learn. Do you think you'll succeed the very first time you try? No! Even though you made mistakes, you must try the new skill again. Abby Wambach, FIFA Women's World Cup champion, two-time Olympic gold medalist, said, "We all have dreams, and if you're out there and you have a dream and you want something so bad, you've got to risk everything." Believe in yourself. Remember, when you reach, you're initially going to fail. Here is the key to all successful athletes. To eventually succeed, you must believe in yourself and quickly forget failure. Julian Edelman said, "If you are worried about what someone is saying about you, those words will take away from you what you are setting forth to accomplish and preparing for and trying to make the team or trying to make a certain spot. My advice is to have confidence and believe in yourself." From today's session, remember these steps. Start with a great role model. Develop mental movies. Set your mental goals to succeed. And finally, believe in yourself. You have to accept the challenge. Think positively and believe in yourself that if you keep trying your best again and again, you will succeed. Thank you for attending. Are you interested in learning more about your goal mapping mental training? You can contact us on our website or have your parent or coach contact us there as well.